Hey, this is Elijah from Breakdance, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your Breakdance form builder forms with Zapier. Zapier is a really handy automation platform that lets you basically tie any two or multiple services together automatically. To get started with using Zapier with your Breakdance forms, you'll need to create a Zap. I've already logged in and started a new Zap here. We need to go ahead and choose a trigger. And the trigger we want is a webhook. We can choose webhooks by Zapier. And then for event, we'll want to catch a hook. Click continue. And we need to skip this section and move on down to the test area. This is where you get your actual webhook URL, which is what you'll need to tell your Breakdance form to send information to Zapier. So let's go back to Breakdance. Let's select our form builder. And on the left side in the Properties panel, we'll expand the Actions section. Under Actions after Submission, we'll find Webhook and enable that. Click Webhook. And now we'll be able to use the pencil icon next to Webhook in the Actions list to expand the Webhook settings. At the top here, we have a field for our Webhook URL. I'll paste in my new one. And then we'll have to go through and map each of our fields. So I set up a name field for our form field with the ID of name. I did the same for email and message. This ensures the data will be passed to the webhook. Now let's save this and jump up to the front end where we can test this form. So we'll do test example at example.com. This is testing my Zapier integration. Now let's submit that. We'll get a confirmation. And then over on Zapier, we can click Test Trigger. And now you'll see that that data has actually been submitted to this webhook. At that point, you can go up here and pick off child keys if you want and do different things with the information that you've passed to it. And then, of course, Zapier allows you to add actions. You can do things with Stripe, Slack, YouTube, Zendesk, Google Drive. Pretty much anything that has an API can be manipulated via Zaps on Zapier.